morning. I am Dr. Zain Agha from forexmentoringprogram.com. Today I'm going to show you a very good forex scalping system. Now this system is based on two different time frames. One is the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour, and the other one is a lower time frame, which is the 5 hours. So here we have the USD JPY pair. So what we are going to do, the first thing we're going to do is place some indicators. So our indicators will be the moving average, which is based on the Fibonacci numbers. So our first moving average will be 8 EMA, exponential moving average, and give it a red color. This is the one. And then we will have another moving average, which is the next Fibonacci number 13, and give it a different color. We'll give it aqua. And the next Fibonacci number is 21. So we are going to put one more EMA here, 21, and we will give it a color yellow. That's it, yellow. Okay. Now this is on the 1 hour chart. What we will do, we will save it as a template, save template, and give it a name as Fibonacci numbers, Fibo MA, moving average. Okay, Fibo moving average, and save it. Now on the 5 minutes, we will bring the template, the one we saved, Fibo MA. Here it is. Okay. Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to take the signal from the 1 hour time frame. Let me make it a bit bigger. And in the 1 hour time frame, you will see the market is coming down and going up and down. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, here we see when the moving averages are together, we don't do anything. We wait until we see. If we are going to go long, we'll see the red moving average the red moving average is above the blue and the yellow moving average. So on this candle, we get the, let me put a line here. On this candle, we get the signal that the red moving average has gone above the blue and the yellow. Now, if we look at the time frame underneath, here is the 5th of July at 3 p.m. Okay, now we will go back to the 5 minutes chart and place the same line there, 5th of July at 3 p.m. So 5th of July at 3 p.m. This is it. Now, this line, which is on the 5th of July at 3 a.m., here is the same one, 5th of July at 3 a.m. So this one is the 1 hour chart, and this one is the 5 minutes chart. We take the signals from here and then we trade on the 5 minutes. Right, so we got the signal here to enter long to buy. Now, first of all, the red moving average has to be above the blue and above the yellow. And then second thing is the candles have to be above the all of the moving averages. So here the candle, this one is above the moving averages. So we take the signal, we take the trade at the open of the next candle here, this one. I'll place a line there. So this is the open of the next candle. So we buy here at 107.837, and then we place our stop loss below the last low. So this was the last low, and the low was 107.767. So we're going to put 5 pips below it. Our stop loss is going to be 5 pips below 107.767. So it's going to be 107.717. 107.7177. Okay, this is going to be our, sorry, 717. This is going to be our now this is going to be our stop loss. Now what are we risking? Now if we click here, we are risking about 12 pips. So our take profit is going to be 12 pips. The first take profit will be the 12 pips, which is 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and the second take profit will be 24 pips. So if we go here and we take 12 pips from here, which is going to be at 107.958, 107.95, 107.95. Right now this is our first take profit. Now let's see what happens. Now the market keeps going up and up and up. There it is. See, there we get our take profit. Okay, now what we will do now, we will take half of the trade out and we will continue with the other half for our second take profit. Now what we're going to do, we're going to bring our stop loss to break even, or if you want, just 5 pips above the break even, so that it covers your spread here. So this is 5 pips above the break even. Now our next take profit is going to be another 12 pips above. So 12 pips above it is 107.95, and 12 is 108.07, 108.07, 108.078. So this is our second take profit. Now let's see how does it do. There you are. We get our second take profit here. So we made a profit of 12 pips here and 24 pips here. So 12 and 24 pips is 36 pips. So you get a profit of 36 pips. How's that? Now let's take an example of a sell trade. So this was a buy trade. Let's go to our and look here. Okay, here we have a signal to go short. The red moving average has come below the it has come below the yellow as well as below the aqua. So this is the time on the 2nd of July at 10 a.m. So let's go here. Let's get rid of all these. Okay, here it is, 2nd of July, 10 a.m. I'm going to put a line here. There it is, 2nd of July, 10 a.m., 2nd of July, 10 a.m. And here we get the confirmation that the red moving average has gone below the aqua and below the yellow. So this is where we are going to get into the trade at the open of the next candle, which is this candle, and we are going to place a stop 5 pips above the high. So the high of this candle was 108.415, so it's going to be 108.455, 108.455, 108.445. There it is. Okay, this is our entry, and this is going to be our stop loss. Now let's see what's the distance between the, what's the risk, what are we risking? We are risking 15.7 pips. So we will take our first take profit 15.7 pips, which is going to be 15.7, 108.14, 108.14. So 108.14. 108 point. This is going to be a take profit. First take profit. Risk to reward is 1-to-1 ratio. And the second take profit is going to be so it's going to be 107.98. 107.98. 107.9. Okay, so this is our first take profit and this is our second take profit. Okay, let's see what happens. So if we turn here and we get our, there we are, we get our first take profit here, and then what we do, this stop loss, we bring it down to say a 5 pips profit to 29.8. It should be 5. Sit. Okay, now we got the first profit 15.7 pips, and let's see what happens to the next one. Here we get the second one. Okay, so we get the second take profit here. So in all we make a profit of, that was our entry, 31 pips, 31.8 and 15.7 is equal to 47.5 pips, right? So you make a profit of 47.5 pips. So this is how you go, this is how you trade. So this is a very good system and very easy, and I've given it to you for free. Now, if you're happy, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive the notification. And from time to time, I'm going to put in some nice trading systems for you so that you can make money. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great time. Also, watch my other programs and other systems on YouTube, and you can download some of the indicators here, so just watch them.